Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off the program schedule on Braeburn Thermostat and how you can keep the temperature fixed manually instead of following the automatic schedule changes. So first of all, you need to make sure that your thermostat is set to heat or cool mode depending on what you want to use. So as you can see in this particular thermostat, currently heat is on. So once this is done, you just have to use the up and the down buttons in order to basically choose your desirable temperature that you want the thermostat to maintain. Now Braeburn thermostats allow manual temperature adjustments directly from the main screen. Now once you see the desired temperature on this particular screen, what you need to do is you need to simply press the hold button only once. After doing so, when the hold appeared on this particular screen, it simply means that the thermostat will stop following the programmed schedule and it will maintain the selected temperature continuously. So Braeburn officially describes hold mode as a way to bypass all the programming. You can also still adjust the temperature anytime using the arrow buttons while hold mode stays active. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.